Possession of firearm, DNA and prints.
Drop the shanks, ask for Banks. Just come out of Woolworth. Just want to touch up on a subject of possession of a firearm. A lot of people are under the belief that you have to be caught with a firearm on you to be charged for this offence or be arrested for this offence, which is not the case. If your DNA prints are found on a firearm, you will be arrested. You will be interviewed for the offence of being in possession of a firearm. So if you're in someone's house, someone has a firearm, you've decided you want to touch it, you've decided you want to pick it up and have a feel of it, you've decided you want to pick it up and take a photo with it, or you've been around it where your skin has touched it, your sweat has touched it, you've been talking around it and your spit has gone on it, you will get nicked, and you could be facing anything from 5 to 7 years. And they don't even have to prove that you had it on you, unless you've got reasonable excuse why your DNA or prints may be on that weapon, which they would expect you to provide an interview, or you will be charged. And then you put yourself in a predicament. You're looking 5 to 7 years. Now you're in the interview, you're teary-eyed, you don't feel gangster anymore. You suddenly feel like you may have to start dropping a few names, start snitching on a few people to get yourself out of that situation. If you're not about that life, don't be around people that are about that life, because before you know it, you're in the dock, you're singing like a bird and you're crying like a baby. Don't be touching things you don't need to be touching. Yeah, don't be in places where you need not be. If you're about that life, that's another story. If you're not, don't try to be about that life, because you will end up in the Crown Court and you'll be looking a big bird, and before you know it, crying like a baby. Be safe, be legal.